Hey guys, DIY Brie here. I post home decor hauls, thrift finds, DIY videos, that kind of thing every week to help and inspire others create the space they want to live in. So please subscribe while you're here and we'll get into the video. So today I'd like to share with you some new Dollar Tree finds. So most of these are things that have popped up recently since they've kind of revamped the store. The Dollar Plus section. Everything in this video is $1.25, but I thought these were all winner items that you should be able to find at your local Dollar Tree and be able to incorporate into higher end pieces to create nice overall expensive looking design without breaking the bank. I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so I'm going to start out with some vessels. We've got these neat ceramic little pitcher things that are sort of color blocked with the blue on the bottom. It's a really pretty periwinkle color. A nice solid piece that you can use like what I'm doing here. This is floral picks from the Dollar Tree as well that are new. So I just popped some in here. You can do some real stuff in here, or you can use it to like as a watering can to water your houseplants. There's a lot to do with it. The color of it I think would be beautiful for spring decorations too. So we've got this one. I just spotted this for the first time the other day. It's a little bit taller than the other one, and it's got two handles on either side, and it has this really neat geometric spiraled sort of depth of pattern. The lip of it and the handles, and it's just really cute. They come in black too, I think, black and white. This is a sprig of faux flowers just from Target. But this could be so beautiful styled on a shelf with some other things, with real or faux greenery. You could leave it alone. You could have like beads spilling out of it. To give it a refresh after a little while, you can always repaint it any color. It would be easy to do. Overall, I thought it was really neat for $1. All right, this is another new ceramic they have. It's just this decorative sphere. It reminds me of an artichoke, some sort of bloom shape. That's what it's meant to be. And it's kind of, oh, it's hollow. That makes more sense. So that there's a hole in the bottom. I really like the little petal details on it, and that it comes in white. It's just such a classic. I gravitate towards the whites because you can use a lot of them without it getting chaotic and cluttered and, you know, too many colors and patterns going on. But this you can use as like a paperweight, styled on a shelf. Yeah, it's just a nice neutral decor piece that can go with a lot of different styles. Okay, next up are the bubble candles. These have been such a trendy thing that you'll see all over the internet, and I was surprised to see them pop up at the dollar store a month or so ago. I think there's one or two more colors than these, but they're just cute little cuboids made with spheres, and it's a real candle. There's a wick, so you can light them or use them as a decor. My daughter loves these, especially the pink ones, so they're all going to her room, but I thought it was neat to find something trendy but still accessible and anybody could buy from their Dollar Tree. I started seeing some new art like this with a pedestal. It's just a piece of wood they painted black with a metal rod and then a piece of art on top. So this is like a monstera leaf. It's metal, kind of again like a paperweight, or you might be able to get away with using it like as a bookend. But mainly it's just decorative, and I think it's cute and trendy. I think they come in other colors and different shapes, but I thought this was so clever to be able to grab and use somewhere in a small space. I think it'd be really neat to buy a few of these and just use the metal leaves and make some sort of like wall art arrangement with them. Yeah, you could also take the base and do some faux finish on it and paint it to look like stone or marble and just really elevate this really cheap $1.25 piece. Okay, I just found this like 2 days ago and was freaking out. It's this quite sizable gold leaf tray. It's a solid, some kind of metal, and it's got little cutouts in the leaf pattern and sort of rounded, so it's kind of like a bowl, I guess. But I thought this was really cool to find for $1.25. It's the type of thing that you can just use purely as decorative and put like beads, decorative beads in it, or some like potpourri or something like that. Or you can use it more functionally, like in a drop zone by your front door, where you can just drop your keys or sunglasses in it or something, and it kind of helps designate and corral that space for that specific purpose. This would be so easy to paint too and create a new color and finish to it. But yeah, I'm really impressed with finding something like this at the dollar store. Very cool. All right, so these, I wasn't sure what they were at first. They are candle holders for like tapered candles, the little sticks. Color glass is really trendy and in, and this is tinted kind of a purple lavender color. I thought they were really pretty and looked similar to some like higher end things that I've seen. So obviously you can just use them as candlesticks as they're intended, and that would be really cute. I'm toying with the idea of creating something with them, gluing them together and creating a bigger decor piece, adding maybe another material to it or something. Some great applications for this would be in a bookshelf, of course, on top of a mantle, along the center of your dining table with the lit candles and some greenery around it or something. Very impressed with this color glass for $1.25. These stackable drawers are a favorite from the dollar store. These just look a lot nicer than the Sterilite plastic drawers that everybody used to have. They work really well. You can do a lot with them. Take out the drawer and attach this to the wall and use it as like clear storage without taking up floor space. But yeah, I've been able to find more of these lately. I've been noticing the Dollar Tree, like the last couple, I visited a few in the last week or so, and they were all really well stocked, and I don't know if it's just like my area or just a coincidence, but it's so nice when you're looking for things and they're like fully stocked and they have the good stuff, you know? So it all depends, of course, but they have revamped their website, so definitely check that out if you're looking for something specific and looking for multiples of it. But yeah, I think these are great in a lot of different applications. I was thinking I'm gonna put band-aids in them. You can do jewelry, makeup. They don't like stack and hold very well, so I might use a command strip to kind of glue them together so they stay put. And I want to figure out a good DIY solution to like updating the little knobs, because what they are is just like the same acrylic. It's just kind of built into it, and it's fine, but I think it would be cool if I could find a way to put some like more expensive looking hardware over the top. All right, this is another acrylic. It's a plastic cloche. So it looks glass, but it's not. It's all plastic. I mentioned these before, and I couldn't find them in stores for months, and I found them again, so that's awesome. I've taken the black base and done like a faux metal finish on it to make it look more expensive, and there is like a hole, so there is like potential airflow, but I don't know if I would actually use it to put plants in as like a little mini greenhouse. I guess I should try that one day and see how that goes and let you guys know. But mainly I just like it for the decor aspect. Beautiful little trinkets inside and kind of showcasing it in this pretty like museum-like way. It makes them look a little more intentional and high-end, and it's a great way to highlight certain pieces of yours that tend to get lost in the shelves. So yeah, these are great. I love to pair them in 3 and have 3 of them lined up with different elements in each one, or one alone is really great too. I think it'd be really fun to do figurines in them, like if you collect those types of things, having just a whole row of collector's items in the cloches or something like that. All right, so that was it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed these 10 new finds from the Dollar Tree. Please let me know if you've seen any of these in store, or if there's something I've missed that you've found recently that you're loving. Happy shopping, happy thrifting. Hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.